To download the latest version of Apache Netbeans IDE, just follow the procedure I'm going to show you right now. Okay, first of all, go to your browser and open the Google search engine, and you need to just search for Netbeans. Go to the first link. Welcome to Apache Netbeans. Just click on that first link, and from this URL, which is netbeans.apache.org, just go to download. Now they are showing you a list of their Apache Netbeans releases. The first one is the latest version, which is Apache Netbeans 12 Feature Update 3 NB 12.3, which was released on March 3, 2021, and it is the latest version till now. I'm recording today, right? And here I'm gonna install the second one. You may install the first one if you want. What's the benefit of the second one? The second one is LTS, which means long-term support. It is the most stable build of Netbeans IDE. If you see LTS along with any version of any software, then you can be sure of that it's the best stable version of that software package, because it will provide you the long-term support, right? So as I'm gonna install this, I'll just simply click on download. Here I will select this, which is Apache Netbeans, the Windows version, Windows 64-bit. As I'm running 64-bit Windows system in this machine of mine, I'm gonna click on this. Then they are providing me the download link. I will go for this link. I will go for this link, but you can go for this link too, or this link. Well, if you go to this link, then you may get better download speed, as it will give you a mirror site which will increase the download speed based on your area. So I'm going here, and the download file has been prompted. You may also click here to download, like this. Well, after finishing the download, you will get this executable file. Simply double click on this. It will configure the installer for the first time. Just wait a little and you will get this installer windows. Now if you would customize this installer and tweak something, then you may use customize section. For now I'll just keep it as the default section. Now hit on next and check this box, which is I accept the terms in the license agreement. Hit on next. I'm gonna keep it as it was and click on next, and I'll select install. The installation process has begun. Give it some time to complete the procedure. Now the setup has been completed, and just click on finish. Alright. Now I'm gonna open the IDE and I will run my first Java program. Just click on the launcher. The IDE is opening. Alright. It's the welcome window of Netbeans. I'm gonna create a new project here. So I'm clicking on this. and I'll create Java application. So I will select Java with and Java application, click on next. It is finding some necessary features. Now it has found some features which are needed to be downloaded and activated. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just select the both of them and I will click on download and activate. It will download the necessary components of this, and it will also activate it all together. Just wait for that. Alright, now in this window just click on next and check this box. I accept the terms in all of the license agreements. Click on install. It will simply download the plugins and it will install it automatically. Now our installation has been completed successfully. Just hit on finish. Wait for some time for the finish button to be appeared here. It's activating, and yeah, now we are good to go. So I'm giving a name for my project name. I'm gonna call him trial run. I will take this main class and just hit on finish. It's opening our projects. It may take some time for the first time as it will download some updates. Right, our project is ready. Here we can see our source code here. Now I'm gonna print a simple string here. I'm gonna run it here. Let's see. First of all, I need to build this project. Sorry, I'm gonna hit on this clean and build project. It's building the project. Now I'm gonna run this project. It works. It actually works. Okay guys, that's all for today. I hope you have successfully installed your Apache Netbeans IDE and you can do everything you want uh, which you did earlier in your previous software version of Netbeans IDE. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks you. I'll see you in the next video.